Welcome to JH. Telegelam.com presents itself as a charming online jewelry boutique, peddling everything from rings and chains to pendants and bracelets. At first glance, it looks like a cute little shop where you might find a stylish accessory for a special occasion or just to treat yourself. Because clearly, the world was suffering from a shortage of generic websites selling shiny trinkets. But before you pull out your credit card, we need to ask, is this shop actually legitimate? Or is there something fishy lurking beneath the surface? Let's dive into the details together. The site boldly claims to have served over 10,000 happy customers, which is a lovely sentiment if you enjoy reading works of pure fiction. When we actually went looking for these thousands of satisfied fans, we found absolutely nothing to back it up. Over on Trustpilot, the reality is a grim 1.4-star rating, with the majority of reviews being spectacularly negative. Apparently, their definition of happy includes customers complaining about misleading ads and receiving cheap, battery-operated toy dogs instead of the advanced robotic pets they actually ordered. I suppose a plastic poodle is technically robotic if you have a very loose definition of technology and a high tolerance for disappointment. Beyond the refund nightmares and ignored emails, the red flags are practically waving themselves. Take their product images, for instance. They look suspiciously perfect, almost too nice to be real. A quick reverse image search confirms the hunch. These photos were shamelessly lifted from other websites. If a store can't even be bothered to take a photo of their own inventory, you have to wonder if the inventory even exists in this dimension. To make matters worse, their customer support details, including the physical address, were also copied from elsewhere. It's almost impressive how much effort they put into being completely fake. The domain was only registered in August 2024, making it the digital equivalent of a toddler, though significantly less trustworthy. While being new isn't a crime, the total lack of a social media presence in today's world certainly feels like one. In an era where even my neighbor's cat has an Instagram, a business with zero social footprint is screaming that they plan on disappearing into the night. There's no community, no updates, and absolutely no transparency. It's less of a brand and more of a digital ghost ship waiting for its next victim. The bottom line is simple: stolen photos, fake contact info, atrocious reviews, and a non-existent social life. Telegelam.com is checking every single box on the how to be a scam checklist. It's definitely safer to keep your money in your pocket and avoid this place entirely. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to stay one step ahead of the internet's most creative crooks, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and scam awareness.